welcome to another video. So today I have the Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 USB keyboard. It's a wired keyboard. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's inside. So this is a very commonly used keyboard. A lot of enterprise workplaces, corporate workplaces will have this keyboard. The benefit of having a wired keyboard is, of course, you don't have to change the batteries, and that's why a lot of corporations prefer it. This is something that my work sent me when I asked for a new keyboard. Of course, I have the wireless one, but this is just to use with my work computer. Okay, so first impressions, kind of heavy, which is good. You don't want to slide it around easily. Let's take the plastic off and see what it looks like. Okay, so what's funny is it makes me feel like I'm at work, because this is what we use at work. So it's really nice. It's really sturdy, really meant for workplace use or long-term use. Quiet, silent keyboard. Can you hear that? It's pretty quiet compared to other keyboards. So let me pull out my Logitech keyboard here. So here, it's just not as premium feeling. This feels premium. So this is a wireless keyboard. I will leave the link to this device below. I bought it just for 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and plug it in and type with it and see how it feels. Okay, I have it plugged in here. Here's the num lock. It was on by default. Caps lock and the scroll lock. So it does have all three of those lights. There's a Lenovo logo here. It is a full-size keyboard with all the traditional buttons you would expect in a full-size keyboard. It's nice grippy feeling buttons here. This feels very sturdy, doesn't move around easily. Let's see if it has drains on the bottom. So this one does not have, it does have a drain here and a drain here. So there is some degree of water resistance to this device. Usually it's about 60 ml or so. I'm not sure what it is in particular with this keyboard, but a lot of them will have a certain amount of water resistance if you have drains on the back. Let's type with this. So essentially, to me, this feels like being back at work in person, where you would typically use something like this. It's nice. I don't know if I will use this wired one or use the wireless one because it's more convenient as far as putting it away. But for now, I'll give it a shot and see how I do. But that's it for the Lenovo Preferred Pro 2 keyboard. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.